guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. I have it right here. And this item, this is the first of this kind, or I guess collection, that I've ever purchased. So because of that, I wanted it to be like a true unboxing. Usually when I get an item, I will take a look at it, just make sure everything looks good, and then I'll wrap it back up and kind of do an unboxing. But this, you guys can see, that's a little tab right there. This is a true unboxing. So we're going to, oh no, that didn't go as planned. We are going to see together for the first time what this guy looks like. Okay. Possibly. If I can get the box open. All right, here we go. Okay, and here it is. Oh, pretty. It has the holiday. I'm assuming that's like receipts, but it has the holiday ribbon. I did purchase this, like, oh, I've had it for about a week. Yeah, I've never gotten the holiday ribbon before. Okay, let's just shove that up there. Okay, so here it is. Oh, it matches my nails, kind of. Okay. This is so fun. Oh, you know what? I think I did. Almost dropped it. I think I wrote myself a note. No, I didn't. Maybe I didn't. I thought I did. It's blank. Okay. Maybe I didn't. Anyways. And it is one of the little, like, box, pull-out boxes. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, any guesses? You guys are gonna see it first. Actually, I'll look in the monitor. Oh my, I can already see. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so cute. So this is the Félicie Pochette, but it's the animation. This is my first official piece with animation. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I believe this is Vivian, and then Patchoula maybe, and Noe. I don't know. I don't know the little people like names. I think that's it. But yeah, so this is part of the winter 2023 collection that Louis Vuitton did. They had a couple of different ones. I think there was like ice skating or whatnot. I didn't want those. But when I saw this one, I was like, shut up. This is adorable. So I have a thing with palm trees too. So palm trees, they just make me happy. I love them. I also live in Arizona, so it's like par for the course. And also water. I love the ocean. Obsessed, which we don't have that in Arizona. But yeah, the colors, that's what really got me. Like the green palm trees with the blue water. I was like, this is so freaking cute. So, and I've also been wanting the Félicie Pochette for a while, but it's very similar to the Pochette accessoire that I have. And so, I mean, I guess because I have the monogram one, which can you see? Yeah, you can't see it. It's right there, that one. And they're so similar. I guess I could have gotten, and I did think about that, getting the Félicie in like the leather version so it didn't look similar, but for some reason I could just never commit. I was just like, I don't know. It was just one of those bags that I just never got around to getting. And that kind of tells me something. Like if I really wanted it, I would have purchased it by now, because I've been thinking about this for a long time. But when I saw this, I could not stop thinking about it. Like could not stop thinking about it. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. On the back, it's just canvas. Now, the original Félicie, it has like an envelope closure, but this one is like a flap closure. And so this color, they call it guava. I think it's like guava pink. So, so pretty. There's a little sticker there. Let's peel that off. Okay, and if you're familiar with the Félicie, you know you get inserts. So these are the inserts, which I will show you. And I also want to tell you guys, a lot of people will purchase this and I guess sell these, and I'm kind of doing the same. So I talked to my mom actually, and I really wanted the bag, but I didn't really feel a need for these. These are really pretty though, I'm not gonna lie. It is really pretty. Okay, so I'll just show you. So this has the zip pouch. You have the canvas here, and then you have that pop of that guava pink. And it's just like a little like pouch there. So you can stick, you know, whatever in there. And then this one is a card holder. You get 8 slots, and then you also have a slot in here as well for like bills, I guess, receipts, whatever you want. So my mom and I decided to go in on the purchase together. She is getting these 2 items. Actually, after I did this unboxing, I'm going to go and give her her stuff. So these are actually hers. I will not be keeping these. And then she's paying a portion, obviously a smaller portion, because these are, you know, not the main bag. And then I will keep the main purse. So you also get, okay, so here's on the inside, and there's the chain too, which love that chain. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this chain so, so much. But yeah, so you have a slot in here, and then you have just this compartment right here, which if you know, like if you've seen any of my other unboxings, I always get an organizer, like an insert, just to protect the interior of the bag, and then also just to, you know, have organization. For this one, I will not. It's definitely way too small to put anything in there. I can't give up any real estate, so I will not be doing that. Oh, there's a little sticker on here as well. And this I ordered online. I didn't get this from a store. So I believe this came from like their like warehouse or whatnot. So it has these little hooks right here. And then this is what it looks like with the chain. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. And now that I did the unboxing, I can finally use it. It's so pretty. I don't know if it's, let me scoot in. I don't know if it's like in real life. Everything is so vivid, so pretty. I'm really hoping that the camera is picking up the detail of the color. And I love this animation. Like I said, I don't have anything from Louis Vuitton that has an animation on it. This just screams like vacation to me. I don't know, spring break, summer break, just fun day out. It makes me want to go to like Hawaii or like California or something. But I love this so much. So yeah, that is it. Just wanted to do this quick unboxing. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.